Working in industrial metrology and have an MQP file from eManager. These are measurement project files used in quality control workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these eManager measurement project files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful MQP inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A measurement project file created by HBM eManager, a software tool for configuring data acquisition systems. Users create these files to save device settings, channel configurations, and measurement parameters for scientific and industrial testing, ensuring repeatable and consistent data collection. The MQP file is a proprietary structured format, likely XML-based or a binary database, designed to store a complex hierarchy of configuration data. This includes sensor definitions, scaling factors, trigger conditions, and hardware settings, encapsulating the entire state of a measurement setup. The default, recognized opener for MQP files is known to be eManager from Hottinger, Bruel, and Kjær, HBK. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows does not parse structured data formats, so the original application is needed for full visibility. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the MQP file and choose Open With. Start with eManager if available. If not, choose another option. Expect a little trial and error. When your MQP file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, opening in eManager. Install eManager from the original software vendor and use File. Then open to load MQP project files. The application displays measurement plans, tolerance specifications, and reporting configurations for editing or execution. eManager is typically deployed in manufacturing quality control departments alongside CMM equipment. Next, contacting software vendor. If eManager is not available, contact the software vendor or your metrology equipment supplier for current versions or alternative tools that handle MQP files. Many metrology software vendors provide migration paths between products and may convert legacy project files to modern formats compatible with current systems. Finally, recreating in modern tools. Migrate measurement projects to modern metrology software, like PCDMI's Calypso or Polyworks, by manually recreating measurement plans. Document MQP project content in eManager if possible, or work from original part drawings. Modern tools provide enhanced features for evolving quality control requirements in manufacturing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.